Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this French tip gel X set on one of my loyal clients. So to start out, I'm just working on her cuticles, so I'm pushing them back and nipping them and yeah, just cleaning them up. I wanted to quickly just apologize because I was supposed to post a video on Friday. I've been trying to get more active on all of my social media, so my YouTube and my Instagram and TikTok and everything. So I didn't post on Friday because I actually was on a road trip and I forgot to have the video ready by the time I was leaving, so that didn't work out. But this is Friday's video, but I am going to try to have videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and get back onto my regular schedule. So please make sure you guys are staying tuned for that. And also follow me on all my other social media. I have TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Pinterest. Everything is SnappedBySydd, and all of the links will be down below. So to move on, I am just going to use a medium sanding band on my e-file, and I'm going in and I'm etching up all the natural nails just to improve the adhesion of the Gel X product. If you guys are interested in any of the products that you see me using in this video, be sure to check down in the description box down below. I will have links to everything that I love to use. So just to tell you guys, I got my medium grit sanding band and my e-file off of Amazon. I don't know the brand of the sanding bands. I think they are Bell or Belly, something like that. And then my e-file is the Melody Susie Scarlet Drill, I believe. I love it. I had a really expensive Medicool drill when I first started doing nails, and it actually broke on me at the very end of school. So yeah, I love this drill. It's a great replacement. But I'm just gonna move on with the Acrylic extensions, and I'm going in and fitting. These are the natural square medium nails, and I'm just going in and I'm fitting them on all of the nails, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna finish up the prepping of the nail. So I'm going in with the No Lift nail primer. This is my go-to nail primer. I love it. I use it when I do acrylics, and I just switched it over when I started doing Gel X because it works so good. I have no lifting. As long as you prep properly, you will not have any lifting. So I go in all the fingers, and then I do 2 layers of this Bond Aid by OPI, and yeah, this combination never fails me. I love it. I know a lot of people use the No Lift and the Young Nails. The reason I use the OPI is because they didn't sell Young Nails in the nail store that I go to. So I tried this one and it works just fine, and I think it's cheaper than the Young Nails. So if you guys don't have the Young Nails, don't worry about it. There's lots of different options, whatever you decide. But yeah, so after this I'm going to apply the nails. So I'm going to use the Acrylic Extend Gel to apply the nails. I use the bottled version, and I like to place a little bit onto the nail, and then I place a little bit into the well of the nail, and I apply it onto the finger. I make sure it's straight, and then I move it over to my gooseneck UV LED light. And so this is a light that I just attached to my table, and it makes it so much easier. It's hand free, so I just have a little button that turns it on, and as you guys can see, I'm able to apply the nail and then just move over to the light and then come back and apply the next nail, and it makes things go so much smoother and so much faster. The things that I don't like about the Chiaroscuro, the a Prey light, those kinds of light, I don't like that you have to apply with one hand and then hold the light with the other hand. That just doesn't work for me as well. I find this to be way easier, much more efficient, and it just helps to make sure that your nails are going to be straight and not crooked and everything, because you don't have to change up your position multiple times. So I would definitely highly recommend this. And if you guys are interested in some of my other favorite products for Gel X, I do plan on doing a whole video on my favorite products to use with the soft gel extension, so stay tuned for that. I recently have switched over all of my clients to Gel X, so I'm just doing gel products on my clients. There will still be acrylic videos coming soon, so I do still love my acrylic, you know, obviously, but for my clients I like doing the nail art, so that's why it's important to me. But I was talking too much, I didn't even realize that we went on to painting. But yeah, I just applied my base coat, and I believe I used the Beetles base coat. You can find them on Amazon. And then I'm going in with these two colors. So the blue color I believe is the Beetles color. I'll have the collection posted down below. And then the nude color is Madam Glam XOXO. I've talked about this in a few previous videos. It is the absolute best nude color. Y'all know I love my Madam Glam. That's like my favorite nail polish company ever. I use them faithfully. And XOXO is like the perfect color for the gel. So yeah, I go in with 2 coats of both colors, and then she wanted like an encapsulated glitter color, so I took this glitter, which also came from Beetles in the Mermaid collection, and I just applied it, scooped it onto the nail, and then I cure it. And I scooped it onto wet polish, so make sure your polish is wet if you're going to do that. What you guys see me doing there is just tapping my finger over it to make all the flakes lay flat, so that when I encapsulate it, no flakes will be laying up. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my V French tip on all of the nails that I decide. And yeah, that was pretty much this look. I do want to apologize. I've been having trouble getting my camera set up and making sure all my clients and stuff are in frame, so please work with me while I figure out the best setup for my camera. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's why sometimes the clips are cut short and they're all over the place and whatnot. But I promise you guys it's going to get better soon, so please just stick with me, rock with me. We're gonna get through it, you guys. I'm just trying to figure everything out. And if I make any mistakes, I know you guys can see me going in with another brush. I just am dipping the brush in acetone, and then I'm going ahead and I'm cleaning up the sides of the nail just in case I accidentally touched, you know, like the polish on the skin or anything. That's an easy way to clean it up. A lot of times I'll do it even if I don't have polish there, because sometimes like base coat and top coat will get there and you don't notice, and then you'll see it once it cures. It just makes it look weird. So yeah, but I go in with 2 coats of every color like I said before, so that's the same with the V. As you guys can see, I outlined it with the small liner brush, and then I went in with the actual nail polish brush, and again I cleaned up with the other brush and the acetone. Alright, so moving on to the fun part, I'm going to be adding some Swarovski crystals. So I'm taking my IBD hard gel in clear, and I just apply that on top of the nail, and I'm just going to go in and add my crystals. I'm sorry, I just realized that crystals have like there's sizes associated with the crystals, and they have a name that I could be saying during these videos so you know which size crystals I'm using, but I just realized that, so sorry. I will try and keep that in mind the next time I do a video with crystals. But I'm just doing some cuticle trend. This is one of my favorite designs to do with the Swarovski. So I placed down a stone, and then I put 4 metal balls around the stones. And the metal balls I found at my nail store, they are called caviar beads, I believe, and you can find them at like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, like those kinds of stores, or you can find them on Amazon. I will try to find something similar, post it down below. But yeah, I get mine from my local nail store, so that's where I got those. But yeah, I just go in. This is like a fake crystal katana that I also bought from my local nail store, but they have them again Amazon, nail stores, all over the place. So you can find all these products anywhere. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and apply the crystals, and then I'm perfecting them. And with this product, or with this method, you want to cure them fast because they do move. So I accidentally messed one of the nails up because it slightly moved right before I got it in the light, and so it was like a little off. It wasn't too off, like you couldn't really tell, but it was a little off. So you have to be fast when curing this. And when you apply your IBD gel, you want to apply like a pretty good amount because you want the crystal to sink in, and then you want the gel to kind of be pushed from under it, like make it sit in place and then push from under it, and then it'll kind of like wrap around it and like really have it in the gel, if that makes sense. But you don't want to get it on top of the gel, so it's definitely a process. But this is my favorite way of applying crystals. They last, they're perfect, they're great. So yeah, I would highly recommend that. And then when you are done curing the crystals, then you go in with your top coat, and I like to press my top coat up to the crystals, not over the crystals. So if you go over the crystals, you will lose the shine that the crystals give you. So you want to push them up as close to the crystals as you can, and then like drag it away. You don't want to go over the crystals, so keep that in mind when you're placing your crystals. But yeah. So on the nail with the encapsulated glitter, I put multiple top coats on top of it to encapsulate it in. And then any of the glitter pieces that are still sticking out, I went in with the buffing block and I just buffed them away and added some more top coat. And that made all of the texture go away. You can also do this underneath the nail. You can also encapsulate it with IBD, hard gel, whatever you want to do, your choice. But that was the way I did it because it was really thin glitter. And now I'm going in with my cuticle oil and my lotion. And here is the final product. I'm sorry I didn't have any videos to show you for this look, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this video. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media at SnappedBySydd. And stay tuned for future videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. I will see you guys soon. I love you guys all. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.